The next step to actually using SARTopo and using it efficiently is going to be creating an account or logging with an account that you already have. You do this by either already having an account with Facebook, Google, Yahoo, or Microsoft, which you can see right over here, ways to sign in with those accounts, or you need to create an account with one of these 4 places. This is not 100% necessary to actually use SARTopo, but if you want to be able to save your maps and data such as that, you're going to definitely want one of those. Instead of showing you one of my private accounts, I'm going to log in with my Facebook account, which has nothing saved on it. So I click on Sign In with Facebook, and then it has already been set up to log in with my Facebook. If you haven't done this yet, you would have to enter your Facebook login information, or if you use Google, you use your Google or Gmail login and password, and that becomes your login and password for this website. If you click on your account right over there, you will have information for your account, such as an ability to log out or the ability to merge this account with another SARTopo account, sharing settings, as well as the ability to upgrade your account from a free SARTopo account to a paid version. You additionally have the ability to have your saved maps stored here, and any PDFs that you may have created or printed will be saved here, as well as layers.